Kedar Joshi is asking that, is it a good strategy to book some profit from SBI Blue Chip, 5-year SIP? What is the general strategy to book profit or exit from old and not best performing fund? Kedar, the best strategy to, you should book profit for two reasons. One is, if you have set out on an asset allocation and that allocation has changed dramatically, take some part of the money. And most importantly, I think that should be the first checkpoint. If you need the money, if you were investing with a particular goal and this investment has translated into an accumulation where you can actually go ahead and buy your car, you can go ahead and put the down payment for the house which you were saving for, take that money out. If you thought that it will happen in 5 years time frame and it has happened in 3.5 years, take that money out. You have succeeded, you have won the match. The game is over. If you set out on a goal and if that has been achieved, take the money out. Sometime it takes longer, sometime it can happen early. That should be the first rule. Second one, as I was saying, that your allocation has changed dramatically. And the third thing, which sometimes you have to act, that you invested in a fund because you liked it. You liked the fund because it was doing well. You liked the fund because it was behaving in a certain manner. And ever since you bought, or in recent past, or of late, relative to others, it is not doing as well. It is misbehaving. It is not doing and it is no longer the fund. If you have to really choose a fund to invest, this will not be the fund. If this will not be the fund, then you should not hold it even. So that is the third reason when you should sell. Otherwise, I don't think you should simply sell because something is happening to market, you are apprehensive about the market. Asset allocation to a great extent or to a reasonable extent is going to do that job.